Hi, I'm so pleased to announce our latest innovation to our Divine series is our Scalp Illusion Color Palette. Here at Milano, we're at the cutting edge of innovation, and we're constantly trying to innovate and come up with new products that make your wig wearing experience so much more natural. What we have here is a custom designed 5-tone color palette, which can work with any lace front or lace top wig. It has 5 different colors in it. We have cream, vanilla, peach, latte, and mocha. What that allows is if you have light to dark skin, we have the color tone for you. If you are dark skin, I would use the mocha as an underneath and the vanilla on top. If you're pale skin, I would do the peach underneath and the cream on top. And if you're medium, I would do the latte underneath and the cream on top. The good thing is there's 5 colors and you can play around and actually mix and match according to your skin tone. I'm going to demonstrate how to put it on a lace top wig. Here we have a Divine, our lace featured top wig, which I'm going to demonstrate for you how to use the Scalp Illusion Palette on it. You don't need to cake on the makeup. In fact, if you cake on the makeup, it may not look as natural. You just have to lightly dab. Once it's done, please look in the mirror and make sure that it looks naturally applied. If it doesn't, then all you need to do is to rub some out to make it look extremely natural. What you would do is you take your finger along the part, wherever your part is, and then turn it inside out. Now where my finger is, it kind of gives an outline of a flesh tone, so I have a line of where I am following. Now I am light to medium skin tone, so I am going to use the latte color on my Scalp Illusion palette. All you do is dab very lightly on the Scalp Illusion palette and draw a line along the part of where the flesh tone comes through on my finger. Dab and brush. Now you do want to go a little bit wider than the part because then it is more of a uniform color across the whole part line and on either side of the part line. Now what I'll do with the spoolie side is just to rub it in a little bit just to blend the color so it doesn't look too caked and more even on the other side. Once I'm done with that, I will turn it around and put it on a head to apply the white for the part line. Once it's on the head, I'm going to use my thumb and my forefinger, and I'm going to hold the hair away from the part. That will prevent the wig makeup to get onto the hair. So again, you take your thumb and your forefinger and hold it apart. I'm going to dab a little bit of the white and just dab it along your part line. Now, if your part line is not a straight line, it can also work for that. You would just go according to where you want your part. If you feel you applied any of it too thick in any area, you would take the spoolie side again holding your thumb and your forefinger away. You never want to rub it to the side, it's always rubbing down, just to blend it a little better. Now once you're done with this, it gives it a great scalp illusion effect. The only thing is because you were pushing the hair so hard down and to the side, it does look a little flat and you want to give it a little bit of volume. The last step, which is super important, is to take your teasing comb, and this a lot of times can be done on your head. I'm going to show it on my head to demonstrate what this can do. Here I put the wig on my head to demonstrate how you can see how flat it is. Yes, the scalp looks incredible. It looks like a natural scalp, but it's a little too flat and pancakey on my head. What I would like to do is create a little bit of volume. You want to hold the point so you don't put any tension on the hair. You take your teasing comb and you brush back. And you can just tease the hair like this and back, but it just creates a little lift and makes it a little more natural.